I'm here in Snohomish County where you can see the water creeping up toward properties along Pioneer Highway. Also on this road, they have the barricades. They're telling drivers if it says road closed, don't chance it. At Island Crossing, floodwaters forced a restaurant to close. Drivers had to deal with a difficult commute. The governor says he's reaching out to the federal government for assistance.
To be direct about it, yesterday afternoon, I was sitting next to the general and we were literally drafting the language that would go to the federal government. So we were there editing away on that document to make sure it said exactly what we wanted to say and incorporate all the information we're getting from folks all across the state to communicate as clearly as we possibly could to the federal government how grave the situation is here in Washington state and how the scope of the crisis truly exceeds our ability, as united as we are with the resource that we have, truly exceeds our ability to manage it.